Selamat datang ke
Pakistani Dum Biryani.
This is the size of my hand, and this is the size of the plate.
Chicken kita macam biasa sini kat Singapura, orang buat chicken curry. So kita Pakistani biryani, kita different sikit. So kita nak buat chicken tasty, we marinate the chicken first for like 24 hours. Then we half fry. Then we put inside the dum.
Welcome to another episode of Singapore Eats. Today we are going to bring you guys to a different place somewhere in central Singapore, and we're just opposite the URA building, and beside it is the formerly known as the Red Dot Design Museum. Now it has been converted into Maxwell Chambers Suite. Nearby there is a hawker centre, the Maxwell Hawker Centre, just about less than 200 meters away. And I think we are going to check out this nasi biryani dum, Pakistani dum. That's the difference. And last one we did at Tikka was Indian biryani dum, but this one is just the neighbor of India, which is Pakistan, and is the Pakistani dum. So difference wise, if you have tasted both biryani, you probably can put a finger on which one you would prefer the most. For me, I like both. Outside the stall, the scent of the spices we use is quite strong. They also have mutton pulau, ada biryani, chicken pulau, chicken biryani, plain pulau, and plain biryani. So the difference between pulau and biryani is just the types of spices that they use to make the rice. We place an order first because we got a seat just behind me.
Makan sini bungkus.
Makan sini nak kita dapat duduk tempat
Cantik.
so,
Island White Delivery, I think there's a number, you can screenshot that.
Apa yang penting jangan last.
ha?
Yang penting jangan yang last one.
Janganlah je.
And if you like, there's a chicken pulau. And one more thing, if you like to add on, if let's say the meat is not enough, if you add a mutton piece, it's $5, one drumstick $3, two, $5, and then one Thai.
Nasi dia macam nasi Arab tapi tanpa minyak.
Nasi kita pergi Lahore, Islamabad semua. So still trying to find the
So memang tahu dah
most
rasa
authentic.
Pakistan.
This
Okay, you can take one first.
alright.
Yang ni
InsyaAllah.
4 jenis dal mix.
4 jenis dal. Okay. Alright, we eat first, then we
Okay,
try first.
makan dulu.
Okay, thank you, brother. Okay, we've secured our biryani. Now the next one is cari minuman pula. Wow, for a Saturday, I think it's just about beginning to get packed. But the last week that we went here, ayam. The last week that we went here, the kedai Pakistani Dum tu tutup. Tapi that was around 12 plus, and the place is full with diners, and I would say that easily about half of them are orang turis yang jalan sini. It also could be because of the proximity of this Maxwell Hawker Centre nearby to the tourist spot. Nanti
Four different type of dals in this for dalcha. So it's very nutty. It's very, almost like macam bubur kacang. Tak pedas. Raita salad. Got onions.
yogurt dia.
Yogurt. Later the good piece also. The hidden mutton.
This one is raita. Raita like a yogurt based side. You have the cucumber, ada tomato dia dengan as well as some bits of onions. Wah. Oh, there's always this macam how food can bring you back, can transport you back to a place that you used to go before and enjoyed something from there. So this one, the first taste that goes into my mouth, dia macam transport back to our time in Pakistan, Lahore, Islamabad, where we really enjoy all the food over there. And you can see the videos up over here. I just put the like up here. Wow, it's not very thick. It looks definitely like a soupy base that you can definitely enjoy on its own like that, or dip roti or your naan inside.
Yeah.
Naan. And yeah, the highlight, I ordered a pulao for $8. Can you imagine the size? Just for reference, this is the size of my hand, and this is the size of the plate. A lot of rice given. The ayam, the size, the portion is wow, very big. I think it should be fried because of the score points over here. Just nicely thin cuts to allow the spices and the marinade to fully immerse itself in the chicken meat. And when it's fried, it's also ensure that it's masak throughout inside the meat lah. Oh, syok. Then macam got transported back to the scenes of Anarkali Bazaar, the kecoh, the motorcycle honking at you, the dust, the crowd, and then you eat a good plate of pulao or biryani on the side of the road. This definitely use a lot of generous amount of marinade, which according to Chef Rizwan tadi, he was saying that the chicken has been marinated for 24 hours. This one has got the vibrant orange yellow hue. Let's try the pulao. We try biryani pulao. Ni wangi.
You feel the spice and wangi.
Ni ada wangi dia.
Maybe because we try master biryani which is super spicy. Then when this one, it's okay.
Mal.
So when people complain of spiciness, so Singaporean level is very, the tahan level is lower.
So if you go to sana, you try the biryani, you probably say, well, it's like pedas 5 times. That was the experience we had because when we tried the biryani over at the place called Master Biryani, kita order lah 2-3 biryani. Sekali bila datang, we couldn't finish it because the chili there, or what they use they heat it's just remain in the back of your throat, and even as you dah makan, it's just retain in your stomach. So I guess that's why the raita also helps to sort of like sejukkan perut sikit. Tapi ni, yeah, I'm quite surprised people will say it's pedas. For our taste bud, for my taste bud, is okay. It's mild.
Okay, shall we enjoy?
Okay, so kita nak makan dulu lah, and then yeah, just show you the scene, and hopefully we can have some time to chit chat with the chef dengan Kak Yusnita nanti.
Okay, nak makan apa ni hari?
Saya nak ambil mutton biryani.
Mutton biryani. Okay. Ni mutton dia. Tengok. Dia punya tulang terlepas. Lembut sangat. Very soft.
Automatically opt for the mutton biryani. Initially, I was wondering if really the Pakistani biryani taste, that spiciness, because I think they have tweaked it to the Singaporean taste kan. Tapi makin banyak, makin makan, and the rice memang banyak. The spicy, dia punya texture, dia punya grain dia semua memang betul-betul Pakistan punya spice lingering up at the back of your throat, and it really reminds us of the time when we had a couple of biryanis including the one at stopovers, from the cheaper ones to the slightly more expensive. I think siapa-siapa kalau nak try Pakistan Dum Biryani, then you come here lah.
Specialty kita punya is mutton. Our mutton is very soft. And fried chicken kita macam biasa sini kat Singapore, orang buat chicken curry. So kita Pakistani biryani, kita different sikit.
Types of dal
Yes. Actually dengan biryani, kita makan raita salad sahaja. Kalau you pergi Pakistan, you know, they just give you raita and salad. Tapi culture Singapore, nakua curry. So kita nak buat something macam nakua. Okay, then I create my own menu. Ni kita masak dal, 4 jenis dal. So dia bukan curry. So it's not curry, it's 4 jenis dal. Penuh dengan protein. Kita tak masak curry. So kita nak buat chicken tasty. We marinate the chicken first for like 24 hours. Then we half fry. Then we put inside the dum. That's mean the steamed chicken. That we call steam roast chicken. Yes.
I see. And has it always been ayamnya size tu macam bumerang gitu?
Saya je sebab kita nak orang biar kenyang. Datang sini jangan lapar. Datang sini lapar-lapar tapi keluar kenyang. Kita bagi portion biar orang kenyang. That mutton palau yang that mean kita panggil Afghani palau, Kabuli palau. Yang tu daripada Afghanistan. Yang Pakistan punya kita buat yakhni palau. Yakhni palau means the soup. Yakhni tu soup tu kita soup masuk dalam nasi. So dalam you kalau makan nasi je dia ada rasa. Even you not eat mutton, you not eat chicken, nasi je ada rasa. I datang Singapore 2016 sebagai orang Pakistan. Kita memang makanan utama kita biryani. So I memang cari satu Singapore, the famous biryani. I pergi rasa biryani. No, it's not. Biryani, no, it's not. Singapore semua is boleh katakan Malay biryani dan Indian biryani. Malay biryani, dia orang boil rice, color and ayam masak merah dengan whatever. Indian biryani, nasi, color dengan kari. Rice kena ada rasa. Sebab kita semua benda dia punya rempah-rempah kita masuk dalam nasi. So dia punya nasi ada rasa. I semua one by one famous pergi semua kedai biryani yang ke Pakistan. Tak ada satu pun yang original Pakistani taste. That's why I choose okay lah. Kita jual Pakistani biryani. That's the reason. Home base, yes. Kita start daripada rumah dalam COVID dan customer kita suruh kita buka kedai. Then we open the shop. So real kalau nak rasa Pakistani biryani, sila datang.
Our working hours Monday to Friday, regardless holiday pun kita buka. Sunday permanent close. Saturday first and last Saturday of the month. And not only for diners, we do island-wide delivery. Di mana saja anda berada, seluruh pelosok Singapura kita deliver. Nak yang tray set atau bento set, or even on your special family occasion, birthday ke, keramaian, nikah and all that, we do huge capacity. So insyaAllah we will cater for you guys.
Sudukan pun ni. Okay.
Alright.
Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
InsyaAllah jumpa lagi abang.
Okay, that was Masya Allah. It was a very good meal. We also had a chat with the Kak Yus dengan Chef Rizwan. And if you are keen to give it a try, I'll just put the address as well as the opening hours right at the description box over here. We'll see you in the next episode. Just subscribe, and if you have tasted the biryanis and the palau at this place before, leave your comments below and we'll start a conversation. Okay, see you there. Assalamualaikum.
Free flow lah.
You lah dulu. I tak nak. I kasih you. I dah banyak lah cakap, babe.